Mga ka-mentor, today we'll be discussing about mastering personal finance, your path to financial freedom. Welcome again to philmentors.com. So sa guide na to, we'll be exploring essential personal finance tips to help you achieve financial freedom, whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to enhance your financial skills. Understanding personal finance can make a significant difference in your life. Ano ba yung personal finance? Well, ito yung ma-manage natin yung pera effectively para ma-achieve yung financial stability and growth and yung mga dreams and goals nyo. It encompasses various aspects such as budgeting, saving, debt management, investing, and retirement planning. Let's dive into each of these areas to help you master your personal finances. So number 1, budgeting. Ito yung pinakapundasyon ng financial success natin. Kahit pag gaano kalaki yung kinikita mo or gaano kaliit, pareho lang, kailangan natin to. Ito yung pundasyon. Dito siya mag-uumpisa. So, it helps you para matrack mo yung income mo tsaka yung mga gastusin mo. It ensures that you live within your means. And here's how to create a budget that works. Of course, number 1, track mo yung income and expenses. Record mo muna all sources of income and categorize your expenses. This provides a clear picture of your financial situation. Next, set ka ng financial goals mo. Meron kang short-term, meron din namang long-term financial goals, such as building an emergency fund, pagbabayad ng utang, or saving a major purchase. Creating a spending plan naman yung sunod. Allocate mo yung income mo para ma-cover yung mga pangangailangan, discretionary spending, and of course, yung savings. Adjust mo yung spending habits mo to align with your goals. Okay, we'll be creating another video to discuss more about how to track your income and expenses, how to set financial goals, and how to create a spending plan. So, all you have to do is to just subscribe to this YouTube channel para pag available ng mga videos na yun, ma-notify ka din. Okay? Next one, saving money. Building financial security. Saving is essential for financial security and achieving your goals. Ito yung mga effective saving strategies. Una, pay yourself first. Prioritize mo yung pag-save and then set aside a portion of your income bago mo umpisahan yung paggastos. So, unahin mo, again, yung pag-save. That's what pay yourself first means. Next one, automate mo na yung savings mo. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to ensure consistent contributions. Yan. Mahirap kasi mag-rely sa willpower lang natin. Sabi nga kaya yun daw, taxes sa sahod natin, tinatanggal muna siya ng gobyerno dahil kahit yung gobyerno daw, they don't trust our will. So, they deduct first yung mga taxes. Why don't we do it on ourselves as well? Unahin natin yung pag-automatic deduct sa ating income and then automatically transfer mo sa savings account. We'll be creating a separate video for that. So, subscribe ka lang dito sa YouTube channel natin. Next one, tanggalin mo yung mga unnecessary expenses. Identify and eliminate non-essential expenses para ma-free up mo more money for savings. Next one is debt management. Take control of your finances. Effective debt management is key to maintaining financial health. Ito yung mga strategies. Number 1, create ka ng debt repayment plan. List all your debts, including interest rates and minimum payments. Focus ka muna sa pagbayad ng mga high interest debts first mo. Yun. So, yung mga matataas yung interest, mas maganda yun muna yung mabayaran mo. Kasi, syempre, mas malaki yung gastos mo dun. Sabi nga, bakit ka maghahanap agad ng magandang investment na may mataas na return? Kung babayaran mo muna yung yung utang mo na may interest, it is as if may sure income ka na dun. Kasi mababawasan mo agad yung interest expense mo. Next, strategy. Consolidate debt. Consider consolidating multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. Yan. So, may mga credit cards ngayon, nag-o-offer sila na pwede mong bayaran through them lahat ng credit card expenses mo. And, of course, dapat i-compare mo muna kung mas maliit ba yung interest rate doon sa ino-offer na yon. we'll be creating another video for that. No? So, subscribe ka lang dito sa YouTube channel or subscribe to our email newsletter, philmentors.com/free. Next strategy, avoid accumulating new debt. Siyempre, hindi naman dapat bayad ka lang ng bayad ng utang, pero create ka naman ng panibagong utang. We'll be creating separate contents para may strategies tayo para dyan. Okay? Next one, investing and growing your health. Investing helps grow your wealth over time. Ito yung some of the very basic investment principles. Number 1, start early. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow through compounding. Ano ba yung compounding? Yan yung kinita ng pera mo o interest or dividends ay kikita pa ulit. So, para siya nag-i-snowball. Palaki siya ng palaki. Palakas siya ng palakas. Next one, diversify your portfolio. Spread your investment across different assets classes to reduce risk and maximize returns. Here in Philmentors, we'll be creating different contents about different investments that pwede kang mag-invest. Next one, understand your risk tolerance. Assess mo yung risk tolerance mo. Choose investments that align with your financial goals and comfort level. So, may mga iba't iba tayong goals, may iba't iba tayong season ng buhay. So, kailangan i-match natin yan. So, we'll be creating content for that. Next one, retirement planning, securing your future. Planning for retirement ensures financial security in your latter years. Paano ka magpe-prepare? Una, set ka na retirement goals. Magkano ba yung kailangan mong pera para mag-retire ka comfortably? At what age you plan to retire? Contribute to retirement accounts. May mga different retirement accounts dito sa Philippines such as SSS, Pag-ibig Fund, and pwede ka rin magawa ng sarili mo o personal retirement savings plan. So, create tayo ng content para dyan. Subscribe ka dito sa channel natin para pag available na yon, ma-notify ka. And, pinakamaganda, pag subscribe ka sa aming newsletter na isisend namin sa email mo sa money tips na curated na, summarized na para mas madali para sa'yo. And lastly, review and adjust. Regularly review your retirement plan and make adjustments as needed. So, take action today. Mastering personal finance is a continuous journey that requires commitment and discipline. By understanding and implementing these fundamental principles, you can take control of your financial future and achieve your goals. Dito sa philmentors.com, we're committed to helping you every step of the way. For more tips, exclusive content, personalized advice, join ka sa community natin. Meron tayong email newsletter. We'll be sending latest financial tips, exclusive content, and special offers just by joining our email newsletter. Subscribe now and take the first step towards mastering your personal finance. Punta ka lang dito, philmentors.com/free para makaregister ka sa aming free email newsletter. Thank you for visiting philmentors.com, empowering Filipinos one financial decision at a time.